To create a subtask in Jira, follow these steps. Open the parent issue. Start by navigating to the Jira project and locate the issue for which you want to create a subtask. Open the issue by clicking on its summary or key. Select Subtask option. Once inside the issue, look for the More Options menu or directly find the Create Subtask option. This can usually be found under the Issues action buttons or in the Options menu on the right side. Create the subtask. Click Create Subtask. A dialog box will appear for creating the subtask. Summary. Enter a brief, descriptive summary of the subtask. This will be the subtask's title. Description. Optionally, provide a detailed description to clarify what needs to be done. Assignee. Assign the subtask to a team member responsible for completing it. Additional fields. Fill in any other necessary fields, such as priority, due dates, or labels. Save the subtask. Once all necessary information is filled out, click the Create button to save the subtask. The subtask will now appear under the parent issue, indicating its relationship.